Welcome back to Everpreneur. Today we're going to be talking about, is Instagram right for my business or for your business? So essentially, any free exposure is good exposure. At the end of the day, your business needs more customers, right? Whether those are local customers in your local area or customers that can buy from you all around the world, your business needs exposure, your business needs people. And Instagram's a free platform that you can utilize to get a lot of traffic and a lot of eyeballs on your business. So if your website needs more hits, if your product needs more exposure, whatever it is, I think that Instagram can literally be used by every single business out there for more exposure, more testing, and more sales ultimately, right? I mean, if you're in a localized area, you can target local hashtags. Even if you're a local realtor, every region, even the smallest region, has its own little hashtag that you can be hitting up, where if anybody follows that hashtag or is interested in that, you're gonna show up, right? If you are a barbershop, for example, let's say you're a barbershop and you can, hashtag, let's say if we're talking about Toronto, you can go hashtag Toronto Barber, hashtag GTA Barber, hashtag variety of different hashtags, all localized to that area to show up for that niche. And even you can hit on hashtags that are not even a part of your niche, but still get you exposure, a citywide hashtag, just your city, whether it's Chicago, you can actually, hit the hashtag Chicago. If you're a barber in Chicago, then you can actually, get some exposure just on that, right? People can find you in a myriad of different ways, and having great content up there, then it allows the ability to be found and be seen and get you more customers. I think ultimately Instagram can definitely help you get more customers, and it's a free platform to do that with, right? So aside from the hashtags and everything like that, it's a growing platform. There, people are using it everywhere. It doesn't matter. It used to be a younger demographic. Now we have older demographics using it. It's almost like replacing Facebook a little bit, that we're seeing, especially with the older demographics. And these people spend a lot of time, and the baby boomer generation has a lot of money, a lot of disposable income, and they're starting to use Instagram now. So you do not want to neglect that market. Even if your service or product is, caters to an older audience, I still think Instagram is a viable strategy for getting more traffic to whatever you're trying to promote. And whether that's your website, from an SEO perspective, we take about ranking on Google. If you're worried about, or if you want to get higher rankings on Google, getting traffic from Instagram increases the amount of hits you're getting, thus sending a signal to Google that your website's more popular and allowing them to pump you up higher in the search results. So if you're in a local area and you're just like, I really want to hit on Chicago, auto body shop, right? And you're getting a ton of traffic from Instagram, even if it's all over the world, that still hits to your page, which helps increase your rank on Google, even in your local area. So if somebody types in Chicago auto body, you can actually show up on that. It's a great way to showcase your team. It's a great way to, showcase even favorite customers that you have. And just in general, like a great marketing platform that doesn't take that long. If you're worried about creating all your own content, that's why my other videos will actually show you how to use others' content and repost it and make it your own. So if you're a business and you're like, oh, I don't know how I'm gonna have all this content created, I don't have time for this, you could have 1 in 7 posts be a picture of the shop or a picture of your product, and the rest being all reposted shots from all around the world that you can find through hashtags. So definitely, I think a free platform to use that is very popular right now to get you free traffic. It shouldn't be neglected. There's even the ability to schedule your posts. We're going to talk about that more in a later video, so stay subscribed to us so you can see our later videos on that. And if you want to take it a step further and you got a little bit of disposable income and you want a social media strategy, you can hire a virtual assistant to actually make all your posts and schedule them out. So literally your Instagram is hands-free. You don't do anything, and your assistant will post for you, find you the content, get you the content, make some of your own if you want to submit to them, but they'll actually be able to do it all for you and get you more customers from it. So that's definitely one of the ways you can do it. It helps you engage with your customers as well. I mean, you can have favorite customers posting on there, and you can be, just from them and, you posting back to them. Sometimes word of mouth is the best way to get business, right? I would say it is. So if a favorite customer of yours posts on one of your pictures, oh, I love the car that you guys detailed, you can go back on their account, post, hey Joe, like it was great, you were such a great guy, so on and so forth. All of Joe's friends are gonna see you, and Joe's a loyal customer of yours. The ability to kind of get that word of mouth exposure, like I'm gonna see, like, hey, I'm friends with Joe, and I saw that, yeah, like he posted up this awesome detailed car. If you don't even have an Instagram account, how can they even link you? Like if I just got my car detail and it's spick and span amazing, I can put a picture on my personal Instagram, which has 300 people, let's say, if you're just a person using it for personal use, then those 300 people are going to see that, hey, and they're going to tag you at Joe's Auto Body. That's free exposure, and that's like word of mouth. That is the modern 2019 way of word of mouth. Like I got my car detailed at Joe's Auto Body. Check that out, right? So huge. And I think any size of a business, regardless of your size, whether you're a one-man show or have 100 employees, can thrive and use Instagram to their advantage in promoting their content, especially with, there's stories, there's posts. So you can have an assistant, spend 2 hours out of their day scheduling posts, or you yourself, you can, sit there with a beer or some wine on a Sunday, schedule out all your posts and have them be pushed out automatically for you. So the functions of doing it, I think the core, utilizing a free platform for free exposure it'd be stupid not to use it. And if you're thinking about doing it, I have more videos to show you the exact strategy, how you can use it and grow your following, grow your account. But even for a localized business, still useful for a localized business. If you're a brick and mortar, like a hair salon, you can't really sell to the States, right? Unless you're selling like products. But if you're a hair salon, you can definitely reach out and get known in your local area through Instagram, to be found and then get more customers. Ultimately, it's going to help you get more customers, and it doesn't cost you a dime. We'll get more into like Instagram ads and things like that, but for now we're talking about organic traffic, using that and pumping it out. So have a great day, guys. If you're a business, I would definitely suggest using it. Our other videos, stay subscribed. We're gonna have more and more fresh content for you guys. All the secrets in the biz. Have a great day, guys. Everpreneur. Hey, Everpreneurs. Did you guys love that video? We're gonna love the next two we picked just for you. Check them out over here, and we'll see you there.